Oh, it's a ski. It's a big one.
Is it?
Yes, dude. Let's go. Oh. We got him.
Okay, Noah, be quiet for 1 sec, just because
Okay.
you got the mic. Alrighty, today we are out here musky fishing. There's a huge storm behind us, so we're gonna try it for a little bit, then go take cover, and then come back out once the storm's gone. Just fishing weed flats, middle of the lake. Big ol' swim bait, chucking it out there, and yeah, let's see what we can make happen.
We up now. Started from the bottom, now we're here.
Yeah, we might want to go soon.
She's still on there. Oh. Go back, go back, go back, go back. Don't start figure eighting.
Yeah, I will.
Decent one?
Yeah.
Lower 40s.
Dang, dude. Did you get hooks in them or no?
He did?
Yeah, he did.
So they're aggressive right now.
He came in. You want to go in? Yeah. Okay.
Wait for the storm and then.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. Let's go out now.
Yeah, you want to go out now?
Yeah.
Look at all those crappies. Just suspended. Water temp dropped from 80 to 77. Now that's surface temp, but oh, I got one. Come on. No, dude. Oh, he was so hot too. Oh, Looney Tunes.
What up?
You guys, good luck. Hopefully.
See any down there? Hey.
Oh, I'm shaking. Dude, he was hot on it. All right, we're gonna go to the next spot over there where Eli had the follow the first time. So.
Musky time.
Musky time. We're gonna get one more follow on this flat at some point.
Oh. He hit it hard?
Yeah, I got whacked.
Yeah. See?
Come back for it. What was that?
Dude, you see what I mean? They whack it hard.
I don't know how he missed it. Next spot.
All right, new spot. Time for a musky bite.
Okay.
If we go there with Nathan and he knows how to use a cast net.
Oh, something.
Are you hooked up?
Yep. I don't think it's big.
Big?
No, it's not big.
Oh.
I'm filming it.
Is this ski or pike?
Pike. Whoa! Okay, now comes the fun part.
Yeah.
Dang it, dude. First fish in the net, though. Hi, Mr. Northern. How are you doing?
That is a tiny pike. What's your name?
Yeah. There's my first fishy of the day. Oh, he's gonna flop. Please don't. Please don't. You did it. Okay. Be nice. Okay. There's Mr. Slimer. Wrong species. See ya, buddy.
I might cast off the other side. I'll take the deep side. Yeah. Oh, musky. Oh my. Oh wow. Oh wow. $50 plus. Mm-hmm. That was a big one. It chased it pretty good and then turned away before I even came into the 8 or anything. Oh my gosh, dude, that was a tank.
I'll bring the whisker seeker with the bait runner.
Right there.
What was that?
A muskie.
Was it actually?
He just tailed on the water.
Really?
We done?
All right, welcome back. Day 2, going after the muskies. Had a pretty good day yesterday, so we're hoping to replicate it and actually maybe put one in the boat today. But we're just chucking the old double showgirl muskie blades on weed flats, weed edges, just random spots where we think muskies might be. And yeah, enough of me yapping, let's get to fishing. Got one.
Fish on?
What is it?
Pike?
Oh, dang it.
Yeah, a little pike.
Little gator. Yikes, buddy.
Yeah,
Well, hey.
they're biting.
Oh, he got
Travis here.
He got big boo-boo. Well, there's the first fish of the day. Little northern pike. Got the hurt going for sure. First fish, he's stinky. I'm gonna let him go.
Today is not the day.
Nope.
Well. And that's why they call it fishing, not catching. Get down.
Day 2,
Boy.
1 pike. Kind of disappointing, but that's musky fishing. So hopefully next time we're out, we actually can boat one. That's a big hope though. I don't like musky fishing. It's so annoying. Musky right below the boat.
That could have been. Holy smokes. That was a huge mark.
I don't know what else it would be.
You're kidding. Probably. I don't know what else that would be. That big of a mark?
Right? Oh yeah. Nice.
I got something. Oh, it's a ski. It's
Is
a
it?
big one.
Is it?
It's a big one.
Oh my goodness.
I don't know if I'm recording.
No, you're good.
Oh, heads up. Oh, shoot.
You got him?
Yeah, he's still on.
Okay, good.
Here he is.
No, I don't want to go backwards. Come on. Just bring him in.
Yes,
Dude.
Let's go.
We got him. Yeah, you can just keep him in the water.
I'm shaking
Oh
so
my
bad.
gosh.
I'm shaking. I didn't even catch the thing.
I was recording.
You were?
Huh?
We
Holy
freaking did
smokes.
it.
We did it. Oh my gosh.
Freaking. I can't believe that. He hit it on the cast.
Dude, yeah, he smoked it.
On the cast.
Oh, brother. Oh, brother.
Nice.
Do I bring the net in the boat, maybe? Just bring them in?
Bring them all in. Easy.
41.
Was he 41? Nice. We'll get some pictures.
All right. Muskie number 1, boated. 40, just over 41 inch. We're gonna tuck him back now. Got so much energy this time of year, is insane. Tell me when. Camera's rolling.
Okay, you get the hair good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Yep.
All right. solid day of musky fishing. We ended up seeing 2 and boating 1, so not a bad day of musky fishing. All we were doing was just fishing offshore flats on weed edges with just some bucktails between 10 and 12 feet of water. And yeah, this will not be the last time we do this. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. And we're not done. We're going for bigger.
It's a ski. It's not hooked very well, but it's a ski. Oh, it's a big one, dude.
Oh.
Ready?